If you're shy, self-conscious, or worried about making a certain impression on others, just being yourself can be a challenge. But with a little self-exploration and practice, you can learn how to embrace your individuality and let your true self shine. To get started, take some time to reflect on what your real values and interests are. Ask yourself questions like, what do I consider most important in life? Or, what kind of future do I want for myself? It can also be helpful to take an honest look at your major strengths and weaknesses. For instance, your strengths might include things like kindness, a good sense of humor, or excellent problem-solving skills, while your weaknesses might include things like being too quick to get angry, or having a hard time saying no to others. While it's important to be aware of your flaws, don't beat yourself up about them. Look at them as opportunities to learn and grow, and embrace them as part of what makes you unique. As you're getting to know yourself, avoid comparing yourself to others. Remember, nobody else has lived the same experiences as you, and everyone grows and changes at their own pace. When you're around others, do your best to relax, and try not to worry about how other people see you. Be open and honest, and if someone else points out a flaw or a mistake you've made, own up to it. This can be tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, it can feel pretty liberating. At the same time, surround yourself with people who respect and support you as much as possible, since this will help you feel more self-confident and comfortable just being who you really are. Self-expression is an important part of being yourself, so look for ways to show the world who you are on the inside. That might mean making art or music, wearing clothes that you love, or finding a career that lets you focus on whatever it is you're most passionate about. However you decide to let your inner self shine, remember to be kind to yourself. If you find yourself struggling with self-doubt, try talking to yourself the way you would talk to your best friend. With plenty of patience and compassion, being yourself will start to feel a lot easier.